This is called a Grub Hoe, and this is a tried and tested tool the world over. This is for moving a lot of earth. This is for hacking through hard ground. The handle on these suckers is awesome, and the heads of them are actually made out of forged steel, and they're not made in China, so you take that for what it's worth. All right, let's start with the Grub Hoe, the long end on that thing. This is for serious earth moving. It's got a really heavy head, so it allows you to actually dig with it. I've used this thing to plant transplants and even to dig ponds and shape edges. This is serious. Here in Florida, sand, it moves a lot of earth really rapidly. But if you were further north, like where I used to live in Tennessee, where there's a lot of clay and rock, you would have to work a lot harder at doing this. But still, this would be the tool you would want. It's very thick, it's very strong, and it moves a lot of earth and does some serious damage. You can basically till the ground with this thing like you would with a rototiller. Excellent tool.